Camp Nou has just reached another major milestone, and today's progress could completely change the pace of the entire project. The compression ring is moving closer than ever to the Tribuna. Ceramic facade installation is back in full swing, and construction crews are pushing forward across multiple key areas at the same time. With every visit, the stadium looks more complete than the last. So, let's dive straight into today's Camp Nou construction update. Work inside Camp Nou continues to move forward as crews focus on preparing the stadium for its future reopening. The old natural grass has now been completely removed from large sections of the pitch, with heavy machinery continuing the renovation of the playing surface. At the same time, construction activity remains visible throughout the interior. The biggest structural progress once again comes from the south goal, where the compression ring continues advancing steadily toward the Tribuna. Another steel box has now been successfully installed, extending the ring even further around the stadium. With each new section added, the remaining gap becomes smaller, making the overall roof support structure more complete. The pace of installation remains impressive, and the growing steel framework is becoming one of the most dominant features of the entire project. Significant progress can also be seen around the service cores, where additional sandwich panels have been installed over the past few days. More previously exposed concrete sections are now being enclosed. Installation crews continue working from one core to another, steadily closing the remaining open sections as exterior finishing work gains momentum. Work on the ceramic facade is also progressing as crews prepare more sections for installation. Workers continue removing the protective plastic from completed louvers, revealing the stadium's vibrant blaugrana colors. At the same time, support brackets and mounting systems are being carefully aligned, secured, and inspected before the next batch of ceramic panels is installed. These final preparations are laying the foundation for faster facade installation in the coming days. Inside the VIP ring, construction continues to move into the finishing stages. More service cores have now been enclosed with sandwich panels, while workers remain busy installing internal wall systems, access corridors, and structural finishes. Scaffolding is still present across several areas as crews continue transforming the once exposed concrete structure into recognizable hospitality spaces. Every week, the VIP ring looks noticeably closer to its final appearance. Progress also continues high above the stadium in the third tier. Scaffolding has expanded across more sections as crews prepare for the installation of the permanent lighting system. Additional lighting supports and equipment are becoming visible, confirming that work is steadily advancing toward relocating the stadium's floodlights to their final position. This phase will eventually free up more seating while completing another important part of Camp Nou's modern infrastructure. The north goal remains one of the busiest areas on the construction site. One of today's biggest developments is the return of ceramic louver installation at the north goal. After a brief slowdown, crews have resumed placing new ceramic panels beneath the first cantilever, bringing more of the stadium's iconic facade to life. As additional louvers are installed, the exterior is beginning to showcase the distinctive design that will define the finished Camp Nou. Across several completed sections of the facade, workers continue removing the protective plastic covering from the ceramic louvers. This process reveals the final colors of the panels while also confirming that these sections have successfully passed installation and inspection. Crews are carrying out the final adjustments to the support system. Workers are tightening bolts, aligning brackets, checking anchor positions, and reinforcing key connections to ensure every mounting point meets the required specifications. These precision adjustments are essential before large-scale facade installation continues. High above the north goal, work on the compression ring continues to move forward. Crews remain focused on preparing the next installation sequence by working around the steel structure, temporary access systems, and lifting equipment. As more components are positioned and surrounding preparations are completed, the compression ring continues extending around the stadium, bringing the roof support system another step closer to completion. The Tribuna has become a major staging area for upcoming structural work. Large quantities of steel pillars, radial beams, compression ring components, and temporary support structures have now been delivered and organized across the site. The amount of material already in place suggests that installation work around the Tribuna will accelerate soon, making this one of the most important areas to watch in the next construction updates. Construction in the lateral zone continues to move forward at a steady pace. Large sections of the surface have now been waterproofed, marking an important step before the final exterior finish is installed. Crews are preparing the area for the next construction layer, which will level the surface before the permanent colored concrete pavement is laid. With each stage completed, the walkways and public spaces around the stadium are becoming more defined and are starting to resemble their final layout. The South Diamond is making visible progress as its structure becomes more recognizable. The perimeter has now been clearly defined, while vertical reinforcement bars are rising across the site. Steel reinforcement continues to expand throughout the foundation, preparing the entire structure for upcoming concrete pours. Although it remains behind the other two diamonds, its overall form is now easy to identify, showing steady progress toward the next major construction milestone. Work is also advancing around the south core, where preparations for the ceramic facade continue. More of the steel support framework has now been installed around the core, creating the base that will eventually hold the decorative ceramic louvers. The lower sections are also being prepared for installation, and workers continue expanding the supporting structure. Tower cranes remain at the heart of construction activity across Camp Nou, continuously transporting structural materials and equipment between different work zones. Throughout the day, cranes were seen lifting steel components, temporary structures, construction containers, and various building materials to support multiple teams working simultaneously. Progress on the ceramic facade continues as workers remove the protective plastic coverings from additional completed sections. More ceramic louvers are now fully exposed, allowing their final blaugrana colors to stand out across the stadium's exterior. This process not only improves the visual appearance of the facade, but also confirms that these sections have completed their installation and quality inspections, marking another important step toward the stadium's finished exterior. Another day of construction has delivered several major milestones, and the pace of progress shows no signs of slowing down. From the advancing compression ring to the return of ceramic facade installation and the continued transformation of the stadium's interior, every update brings Camp Nou one step closer to completion. The coming weeks are expected to be even more exciting as new steel sections, facade work, and upper-tier construction continue advancing across the stadium.